rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
Good morning, you guys. I know I slacked off for day 7, I think it is, but I had a good reason. I was not feeling well. I was under the weather, and it was not COVID. I just woke up and just didn't feel like eating. But I'm good today. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make shrimp Alfredo, because that's what I'm feeling. And I don't think it's breakfast time no more, but it's about to be my brunch. So let's get into it. These are all the ingredients I used to season my shrimp. Also, I didn't add it in there, but I also used sazon, which is goy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was a lot of details. Maybe when I get more professional. I mean, I am kind of sort of, but I mean, I need to work on my little advancing, you know. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed how I made from Alfredo. But I didn't make it with the linguine. I made it with the panini or penne pasta because why not? And see you in the next vloggy vlog.